Dig, 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 dig. Dig, dig, dig. I found no. Malia, Daddy, my toes are cold.
I wonder why.
Because I had it.
What's that?
I have my feet in here. Oh, we shouldn't have done this idea.
Why not?
Because my feet are cold.
Well, do you want to stand on this towel out here?
Sure.
Hold on. Okay, there you go.
Towel. Get out of this place. Where?
Excuse me, I'm bringing in bath towels and all. Since we are taking a bath.
Yay!
A snow bath.
Yeah, we're going to take a bath in the snow.
Yep.
Yay!
With shampoo and
You get white as
soap.
snow.
I can be clean.
You'll be clean and well preserved.
My feet are too cold. That's why I got this towel.
That's
Oh,
fine.
they're turning yellow?
Yeah, they're turning
Wow.
What are turning?
That's bad.
Your feet.
That's
they're
the first sign
turning
of
No, my
gangrene.
feet are turning
Is it
yellow.
yellow?
My socks are yellow.
Oh, your socks are yellow. Phew.
yellow. Excuse me.
Looked like maybe the boat and also those ducks were getting some gangrene too.
Well,
You want to stand outside and put your hands in it, Malia?
are
You can go
you?
play in there. Here, let's take care of this. You go stand there. Can you stand there? Just stand. You don't have to get in. Oh, she doesn't want any of the snow. Okay, well, I'm glad we didn't get you all ready to go outside today. That would have been a waste of time. It's snow. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. It's just snow. You'll get used to it when you grow up. Can I do only just,
It's the bathroom blizzard of 2010.
can I do little splashes like this?
If they stay in the tub.
They will, because they're little.
You need to watch it.